The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Kerr County, Blanco County, Gillespie County, Northern Kendall County, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Doss to 6 miles east of Tivydale to 8 miles southwest of Kerr Wildlife Management Area, moving east at 55 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for Fredericksburg, Stonewall, Luckenbach, and Johnson City. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Kerrville, Fredericksburg, Comfort, Blanco, Round Mountain, Johnson City, Stonewall, Candelia, Blowout, Tivydale, Kerrville Shriner Park, Rocky Hill, Sisterdale, Rocky Creek, High, Cypress Mill, Blumenthal, Center Point, Pedernales Falls State Park, and Waring. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through